Most guys think being a playboy means wearing a leather jacket, talking slang and playing with girls. That's basic. The real playboy mindset it's psychological welfare. It's silent confidence. It's being in control, not just women but yourself. In this video I will show you how you can flip your mindset from needy nice guy to a playboy. The journey starts with one brutal truth. Most nice guys are not nice, they're scared. They hide their true thoughts, they fear rejection, and they think that being a good boy will earn them respect. Reality, it only earns them rejection, frustration. A playboy doesn't chase approval. He speaks his truth, he walks away when it's no disrespect. He doesn't ask for permission to be himself. This is a mindset shift from a needy nice guy to a playboy. Let's be real, if you're doing any of these things, you're a nice guy. You overtext her when she pull away. You say yes just to avoid conflict. You're scared to tease or challenge a girl. You think if I'm nice enough, she will choose me. If you do any of this, then you're still stuck in that weakness in disguise. Apply this in life and see how many girls chase you. First, be confident without trying it. Second, he say no without guilt. Third, he flirt without fear. Fourth, he can walk away from any woman. Confidence isn't loud. It's only starting telling the truth in small moments. Don't like the food, say no. Disagree with a friend, speak it. And if you want to approach a girl, go approach a girl. Be confident. Hit the gym, build your body and not just for looks but to earn self-respect. Learn a skill like fighting, speaking, work hard to respect yourself so others will also. Challenge girl playfully, tease them, be unpredictable. Don't reply instant, let her wonder, hold the frame. Don't react emotionally to her test. Flip them with calm or humor. Most guys fold, bad boys flip the script. Live in a balance. Even if you have only one girl, act like you have options. Play the push-pull game. Give attention, then pull back. Let her chase, and never ever base your mood on her reaction. You are not doing this to hurt women. You are doing it to stop hurting yourself. A real playboy doesn't need validation. He chooses who can come across to his energy. He doesn't fake playboy energy. He owns his dark side without letting it control him. If you guys want to know how to gain respect without saying a word, watch my this video.